Venus and Farhan.
Yes.
Okay, good morning. I'm your HR, Fardal Hazana. Thank you for being here today. So, our session will be led by our trainers, 2% Muhammad Asfa and two agendas. You will be asked some individual questions and some others questions. So, we encourage you to be clear, respectful, and respect for others to share. After this session, I will review your performance and call you within 7 days.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Can you follow me?
Okay, sure.
So,
Okay, good morning and thank you for coming for interview session today. So before we start our session, did you both of you bring any certificate here?
Yes, we bring our certificate.
Can we look please?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So let's start with Alvin first. Can you introduce yourself?
So I'm Elvin Albinos and I'm currently working as a warehouse assistant where I handle stocks and I packing stock as well, and I also coordinating with drivers. So with this experience, I am very experienced in logistic operation. So I'm looking forward for freight forwarding executive for this position and to learn more about documentation and international logistics.
So based on your answering, I think you have a lot of experience, right?
For 6 years.
Okay, next. How about you, Farhan? Can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, and my name is Muhammad Farhan Haidar. You can call me Pai. And I just finished my diploma in logistics and supply chain at Polytechnic, and I have gained knowledge in logistics and supply chain through my study and practical assignment. And I am hardworking, eager to learn, and I want to develop my career in logistics industry.
Okay, thank you, Farhan, for your answer.
Today's session will take compromise around 1 hour or take some hour. So we will raising your qualification, experience and communication skill. Please feel free to take your time and answer the question to best your ability. First question for Andy.
Yes.
So first question is, what is the role of a freight forward executive?
The role for freight forwarding executive to make sure goods move smoothly from origin to the destination, including booking, document customs, and coordination. That's all.
Thank you. So is listing your answer?
Yes, that is my answer for that.
Okay. And for Farhan, what is difference between import, export and transshipment?
For me, import is bringing goods into a country, and export is sending goods out. And transshipment is when goods pass through another port before reaching the final destination.
It's so interesting. So, Legitus, you have question for these two candidates?
So, for Alvin, I want to ask you,
Yes.
can you give us what example of your teamwork?
Example of teamwork. During peak season, I share tasks with my team, and we managed to clear all shipments on time.
For Farhan, how do you deal with urgent client?
From my experience, I'm gonna stay calm and listen carefully to their needs, explain the available option clearly, and take fast action to solve the problem.
Okay, thank you, Farhan.
So the next question for Alvin.
Yes.
So what the bill of loading?
For what I know, with bill of lading is it's a proof of goods shipped and a contract between shipper and carrier.
Then for you. Okay.
Yeah.
So the last one for Fahad. So the last one is which one? How do you manage your stress? Sorry.
I usually spend time with my friend or family. Having a good time with them will release my tension and become.
So interesting for you answer our questions. So that's all for today. So maybe take time for our to make decisions. So maybe we call you guys or contact with email. So I hope you patient the meetings. So thank you for today.
Okay, thank you everyone for your time and effort. We appreciate the way you participate in this session. So now the panel will review your performance and we will be in touch within 7 days. Like I said before. Before we end, do you have a final question?
No, that's all.
If not, alright, thank you for coming.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Can I have my email? Okay, sure.
Thank you.